Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning I'm happy to say that fall is finally here. This month at the Warren County Extension Office, we're celebrating all things fall by our October Extension on the Go bag. One of the things you'll find in our Extension on the Go bag is this pulled pork autumn salad recipe from our food and nutrition calendar. Our recipe calls for us to start off with 3 cups of baby spinach, a half bag of coleslaw mix, and some pulled pork. I've already prepared my pork ahead of time, so that should make today a breeze. The next thing our recipe calls for are 2 chopped apples. Now, the apples are going to add some extra nutrition as well as some sweetness and a little bit of crunch. Now, if you all watch Farm and Home regularly, you know how much I love an easy homemade dressing. Now, this calls for the perfect ingredients to add so much flavor. So first thing we are going to start off with is a half cup of apple cider vinegar. To that, we're going to add a 1/3 cup of olive oil. Next, 1 tablespoon of honey. So this honey is going to really add some sweetness. Now, if you can get your hands on some local honey, that is definitely going to be the best way to add flavor. And lastly, a teaspoon of mustard. If you had Dijon mustard, I think that would be absolutely delicious. And now we're just going to whisk all of this together. Once your dressing is nice and mixed, we are going to toss our salad mixture. Now, if you wanted to combine the coleslaw and the spinach, you could, but I want to keep them separate. So I am just going to pour half of my dressing onto the coleslaw and half onto the spinach. So we're just going to toss the coleslaw, make sure all of the lettuce and the cabbage gets evenly coated with that dressing. If you need to add a little bit more, you can. Now it's time to assemble our salad bowls. The picture on our recipe looks so beautiful, and I wanted to try to recreate that. So I am going to start with my spinach. And what I want to do is I want to try and keep all of my spinach on one side of my bowl. Creating different type of bowls are becoming more of a trend. You might find a burrito bowl, a taco bowl, and so this is a fun spin to that. Next, I'm going to add my coleslaw mixture. I'm going to lay that just right next to my spinach. And it's already so colorful, and we haven't even added all of our ingredients. Next, I'm going to add my pulled pork. And since I prepared my pork ahead of time, this made it super convenient. Preparing your meat ahead of time is definitely going to save you some time in the kitchen if you need to prepare a quick meal for a guest. Next, I'm going to add my apples. I think I'll lay that on top of my spinach. That'll be a nice color contrast. And my mouth is already watering. And then finally, I'm going to sprinkle some sunflower kernels just all over the top. The sunflower kernels are going to add a little bit of extra protein as well as some crunch and flavor. And now our pulled pork autumn salad recipe is all ready to go. I can't wait to assemble a few more bowls and see if I can get a few family members to try this. If you would like this recipe, be sure to sign up for our October Extension on the Go bag. You can visit our website and find the Extension on the Go tab. If you make this recipe, be sure to take a picture and use the hashtag #ExtensionOnTheGo. We can't wait to see your creations, and we hope you enjoy our October Extension on the Go bag. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great day.